One sunny day, young Alex found an old recipe book in his grandma's attic and discovered the world's fluffiest pancakes. Inspired, he dreamed of opening a pancake stand at the park. Excitedly, Alex experimented in the kitchen, adding cinnamon and vanilla, but his first pancakes were flat and disappointing. His grandma suggested adding a secret ingredient, love. When he tried again, the pancakes turned out perfectly fluffy. On opening day, Alex decorated his stand with balloons and a hand-painted sign. Families arrived, and as they tasted his pancakes, smiles spread across their faces. Word quickly spread about Alex's delicious creation. One day, a fancy restaurant owner visited, impressed by the pancakes. He offered Alex a deal, but Alex proposed a counteroffer. He'd share his recipe if the restaurant used local ingredients. The owner agreed. Soon, Alex's pancake house opened, becoming a hit in the community. Alex sponsored local events, giving back to the people who supported him. His dream had come true, proving that love and community are the true secret ingredients.